Today, I'm going to open the Accio monthly subscription box for November 2020. So for those of you who have opened these with me before, welcome back. If you're new here, this is a monthly subscription box, and Accio likes to include vegan products, small businesses, environmentally friendly items. They're just an all-around good humanitarian type business. And if there's a house-related item in here, it will be Ravenclaw because that is my house. So let's go ahead and get in here. I have no idea what the theme of this month is. Oh, and there's blue tissue, which means that there is a house-related item in here. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, oh. We got a hat. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we got a Herbology Club hat, and I'm going to guess that this is the house-related item since this is blue with the bronzy gold color on there. That is super cute. I love that it's an adjustable hat. That's really, really cute. I love that. Very different. I don't wear ball hats a lot, but when I do, I like them to be magical, so this is super cute. That's a good start to the box. Okay. Oh, I think we got a shirt in here, too. Let me get this out. It is covered in wiggly worms. Okay, this is really cool, and I think it's house-related as well, just because it is in blue and bronzy gold color. But it is a Dueling Club shirt. I love this. I think this is so clever. And the ink they used, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but it's actually like a metallic-y gold ink. It's really, really nicely done. This is a very nice shirt. And their shirts are so buttery soft, and they wash up really well. And on the back, it does have the little Accio logo. But this is a super cute shirt, and I love the little hat. I kind of wish they were the same color navy, but I don't think you'd necessarily wear them together anyway, so it's fine. All right. Oh. So this is that like thin wood stuff that they've given us before. So we've had some bookmarks. We had a Deathly Hallows that you could put fragrance on. So this is a Quidditch captain wood plaque, and it looks like it's got adhesive on the back so you can stick it to something. So that is super cute. I might have to put this on one of my Hogwarts trunks because that's super fun. Might have to age it up a little bit before I put it on there, but that is really, really cute. And I love when they do this like wood burn stuff. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the detail, but it is really nice. Super clever. I'm assuming that this might be club related since we've got Herbology Club, Quidditch, Dueling Club. I'm thinking maybe it's something to do with clubs. Ooh. This is an actual deck of Exploding Snap. I wonder if Danny from Wizardry Workshop is part of this. I bet he is. Let me open this up so we can actually look at the cards. Okay, so this is an actual deck of the game Exploding Snap. And yes, it is by Danny, formerly known as Muggle Magic, but is now Wizardry Workshop. It just looked like a Danny product, but I'm going to cut the little seal they've got here, just like a regular deck of cards would have. I don't want to mess the box up. There we go. All right, so I've got this open. I'm hoping one of these cards has instructions of how to play Exploding Snap. I think it's similar to like the memory game that we played as kids, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Okay, so it has got the little magic eye with runes in the background on one side. And then the other side has got these runes. So yeah, I think you lay it out and you try to make matches. And if you get one of these, that's the Exploding Snap. I think. But these are really not like these, like legit feel like playing cards. And they're really, really well done. This is a super cute, unique product. I do love this. I'm hoping that maybe there's instructions you can download. Maybe Danny has done something on his channel with the Exploding Snap where he talks about the rules. I'll have to check that out. But that is very, very clever. Okay, and I think we've got a piece of art in here. And I'm going to guess that that's the last item because there's usually just the 5 items or so, 4 or 5 items. Well, maybe. There we go. Ooh, it's got gold foiling. So we have Professor Flitwick's Frog Choir. Cordially invites you to the 35th Annual Winter Concert, Sunday the 6th of December, following the evening meal in the Great Hall. That's super cute. I love the gold foiling on here. And this is a nice, like, cardstock piece of art. But that is super cute. I really like that. Okay, so I think... Oh, yay, good. Okay, we got a card that says how to play Exploding Snap. So, yay, that's good. Okay, so if you guys want to know how to play Exploding Snap, I will briefly read this. It says, best for 2 to 4 players, ages 5 and up. The object of the game is to win all of the cards. The dealer deals out all the cards in the deck, starting with person to the left and moving counterclockwise. It's totally okay if some players end up with more cards than others. Gameplay. The player to the dealer's left turns over the top card of their pile and puts it face up, creating a second pile of cards next to their face down cards. The next player does the same and so on clockwise around the table. If someone turns over a card that matches a card already face up on another player's pile, the first person to notice the matching cards shouts snap and wins both face up piles, adding those cards to the bottom of their own face down pile. If 2 or more players call out snap at the same time, the matching cards piles are combined and then placed in the center of the table face up. These cards have now become the snap pot. Play resumes with the players to the left of the last player who turned over a card. If a player spots a card that matches the card on top of the snap pot, they shout snap pot and win all those cards. During the game, if a player runs out of cards in their face-down pile, the cards in the face-up pile are turned down and the player continues to play. A player is out once they run completely out of cards. The game ends when one player holds all the cards in the deck. Okay, that's super fun. I can't wait to try that. But thank you guys for including that Accio box because I had no idea how to play Exploding Snap, so that's awesome. So let's get to the cheat sheet. Okay, so the theme is extracurricular, so I wasn't far off when I said clubs. So if you've ever dreamed of joining a magical club, playing enchanted card games with your classmates between lessons in the common room, or flying on a broomstick high above the pitch, this box is for you. This month we are celebrating all the clubs, sports, and extracurricular activities that make life at the castle extra fun for students. So we have the Exploding Snap deck that is made by Wizardry Workshop. We have the Dueling Club Super Soft Tee. Maybe everybody's was this navy blue with the gold, but it's extra special for me because I'm a Ravenclaw, so I love that. Then we have the Team Captain wooden sticker by Arrow Tags, which their stuff is really cool, and I think that's super fun. We have the Herbology Club embroidered cap, and they are in house colors for each house, so that's good. And then we have the Frog Choir gold foil print. And I think this was a really fun box. I absolutely adore the Exploding Snap deck that Danny created. This is really, really nice. I'm actually going to put the instructions in the deck so that I don't lose them. But that is brilliant. I love that. And I love that you can actually play it. And I really do like this little wood sticker. I think it's just something different and fun, and it'll be cute on some stuff. And the shirt and the hat are great. So not that I have a least favorite, but it's probably the art, but I love the gold foiling on it. So I think they did a great job with this box. I think it was all very creative outside the box, and yeah, I like it. So I'm excited to see what Accio does for December. They usually do a holiday-ish themed box. It's not full on holiday like Geekier does, but they're usually like, last year they did a invisibility cloak blanket, which was awesome, and then they did a little Hogwarts in a snow mug. So they had really cool wintry items that definitely fit the theme for Christmas and the holidays and whatever holiday you choose. So, yeah, I think this is really awesome, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What was your guys' favorite item? And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.